Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. I'm Dr. Hina Khan, and today the topic of our lecture is forensic autopsy. Now, in this lecture, first of all, we'll be overviewing the definition and the related terminologies, and we'll be discussing in detail the types of autopsies, and the historical overview is given in detail in the first section. The second section comprises of the objectives and risks involving this procedure, the risks and hazards in an autopsy room, and the precautions and the risk of infections, which can be carried to the whole team that is involved in carrying out this procedure, which involves, of course, the doctors and the related staff. The third section comprises of the procedure mainly. Moving on, we'll be discussing the preliminaries to an autopsy, the examination of the death scene, the post-mortem interval estimation, which is the mainstay for all the crime investigations, the identification of the person for whom the autopsy is performed. The fourth section mainly comprises of the general external examination of the dead body. Now, the examination of an unknown body is the mainstay for all the crime investigations, and the state of cleanliness and external marks are observed in details in this section. Thirdly, we'll be discussing the body discharges, the rigor mortis, and the injuries which are observed on the dead body. But of course, we are just still considering the external examination for the dead body. The fifth and the last section comprises of the external examination of the body parts. Now, the body parts which we'll be discussing in this section are mainly the head, and the mouth and the eyes are discussed in detail. Then we'll move on to the examination of the anus and external genitalia, and mainly the criminal cases involve the sexual assaults, and for this purpose, this examination of the external genitalia and anal examination is the mainstay. I hope you're interested in learning about medico-legal autopsies, and do watch the other section for this lecture as well. Thank you for watching sqadia.com.